Hi everyone, welcome to Data Analytics blog. And if this is your first time in this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button to receive updates on all the tutorials that I share every week. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to create this dynamic and interactive dashboard in Excel. And at the end of this tutorial, you will learn different skills in Excel, such as how to make use of conditional formatting, custom formatting, how to use your shapes in Excel, and pivot table, and also formatting slicers in Excel. So this dashboard is about Adidas sales, Adidas product. So what I want to show the client is or the how these products. So there are men products and women's products category. So I want to show how each of these products is performing over the years in the state and in the region. And also I want to view the monthly sale and the quarterly sales for this particular product. I want to view how I want to view the views and the sales, and also how are they growing, the year on year growth comparison, which I did here. So now we see the total sale, you see the total product unit total, the profit margin. So if you click on any of these now using this slicer, you will see how each of these products is performing over the year in both region and also in states, and also the quarterly and the monthly sale. So now we talk about this. This is all about the dashboard, just for us to show the analysis of the sale over the regions, and yearly sale and monthly sale over the regions, and over sales, to show the product sale, how the products are performing in each region, so now in each state. And this is the data. This is the data that I use. I'm going to put the data links or the data in the description of this video, so just check the data link for that. So now we start with the dashboard design. That's the first thing that I'm going to do. So I'm going to use another, what's it called, create another the sheet now in Excel. So let me show this. So I'm going to create another sheet in Excel, and we start with our dashboard and this. So now the first thing that I'm going to do, I want to remove the grid line for this dashboard also. So I'm going to be inserting a, okay, before that I want to do this. Just click highlight this, just where you want to work on. I'm going to highlight that. Once I've highlighted that, so I will just go to home, then fill it with white. Okay, now let's do it like this. Okay, so let's leave it first like that. We'll do that later. So now the first thing that I want to insert a shape, I'm going to insert a rectangular shape. So before we insert this rectangular shape, so I want to do this Adidas logos that I put here. So I'm going to just Google Adidas logo and copy. This is Adidas logo PNG. So use this. I use this, or you can use anyone. Then copy the image. Once I've copied the image, then go back to my Excel and paste it there. So now I have the image here now. So what I did was to reduce it. So now I want to insert a rect and what's it called, a circle. I want to insert a circle. So now if you are inserting a circle and you want to drag and draw your circle, make sure you are clicking your Control and Shift key. If not, it will be shrinking. You will be drawing an oval shape, not a circle. But if you want to insert a circle, make sure you click your Shift key and also your Control key. So inserting that. Okay, not a circle this time around. Sorry about that. So it's this circle. Yeah, it's this one that I want to insert. That's what I want to insert. Okay, you see now, see why it's dragging. So we are going to insert it again, insert this, go to shape and click this, still dragging. So I didn't hold my shift key. So click this and hold your shift key. So can you see now? So this is the shape that I want to use. So now I want to reduce this inner radius. I want to reduce it till we have this shape. So now once we have that, I'm going to place this here. So you can change the color. I'm going to change this color to this to match it to something closer to this. So just click on this shape, then click this. I will just match it to something color, then no outline. So now click this circle shape and then this our Adidas logo. Once you click that, then I want to group them together. Right click and group, or if you right click, you can just click format and then group here, click group here. So now I will now reduce this. Now again, your control and shift key when you are reducing any shape, circle shape. So now I have that there. You can still move it and make sure that it fits in. So you can just work on it, make sure that everything is aligned. You can click on the logo and align it very well in the shape. So now I have my logo here now. So now the next thing that I want to do now is to write the dashboard or title. So now insert, go to insert and click, or that's text box. So now we write Adidas Sales Dashboard. So now we can also format this. I'm going to be formatting this. Oh no, not this, the text I want to format. So I'm going to be using this. Then now you can increase this, just increase this. So again, you can bring it here. So I need to format the shape, no fill, yeah. So now you can bring it here. So just make sure that you walk around your logo and your shape. So now I have this here, I have this. So now the next thing now is to create this shape. So I need to create this shape for our KPI. So now insert again, go to shape. So I use this shape. So again, I'm going to reduce it to this. So I want it like this. So now I need to format this shape. Let's see. Let me reduce it to like 321. Then this to 161. So now I don't want outline here. The text, I want to fill it with this. Okay, I think this. Oh, okay, I'm doing text fill. So I need to format this. This is where I need to format it. I'm going to be using this. I think I use one of this. Okay, you can right click and go to format. Okay, let me check. You can just format it. I don't need outline. Format it to what you want. Okay, I think I use this. Let's check. So let's check for the color. I can actually format shape, then I will check for the color that I use here. So I use this color. So I can check for more colors to check. Okay, so this is the color code 45, 130 and 181. 181. That's the color code I use. So let's check if we are having the same thing. 45, 130 and 181. Yes, that's the color code. So again, I want to insert a text, so you can just copy this and insert. Okay, copy it and insert. So we are having it at the back. So for you to bring it forward, click here and then click bring to front. So now you know that color matches our, what's it called, just highlight it and change it to white. So here now I'm going to be changing this to total sales, and then I align, resize it, and I'm going to be bringing it here. So I need to group this again, so I'm going to group this, group, I will just group that. So here I will just put this here. So now all you need to do now, because I have, or what's it called, five shape that I need, so the next thing that I will just do is to do this, copy it 5 times, and the last one, so we have it here. So now click on all of these 5, click it, then highlight it to the center, oh no, to the middle, I think. Let's align it to the middle. Okay, align it horizontally, then also vertically. Good. Yeah, it's aligned now, so we can now group them together. So you can see now that it's moving, is on the same shape. Now we have them on the same shape, so you can still resize it too if you feel like. So now the next thing now is to start our pivot table. So now go to my data, go to data, then click this and insert pivot table, new worksheet. So now I want to do all the first one that I want to do. The first pivot table I'm going to create is all these our KPI, total products, sales, and the likes. That's what I want to do. So I need to change this to total products. So this will be unit sold. This will be profit, and this is profit margin. So now the next thing now is to bring everything to this place. Where is the pivot table we just created? So this is it. Just bring it here. So I'll be making use of this. So now then what I need to do now is to put first total sales, put it in values since it's a numerical figure. Then next thing, total product. Where is the product? So it's going to count that. Then this will be unit sold, then operating profit and operating profit margin. So we have everything here. So this operating profit margin, I'm going to change it to a percentage. So you click on that arrow, then value setting, average, or let's say you change it to percentage of total. You can change it to percentage of total from here too. You can just click here, you right click here, right click this place, then show value as percentage of column total. So it will change this to total. So here, so I want to format this. So for my sales, I need to change it to this. So that's good. Then operating margin, So now the next thing now is to start inputting all these things, taking it to this place. So for this, I'm going to insert a new text box here. So now the first one that I want to total say, so make sure you are clicking on this, your formula tab is checked. Click on this place of this formula bar, then equals to, go back to your pivot table and click this. Now we are having this. If you click this, it will give you error. So all you need to do is delete it from here, from that comma, then delete this. You can see now it's showing sum of total sales. So we need to reference A4. A4 is where the value is. Can you see it now? So now we need to format this, format this, format this. Okay, I can change it to, you can just format it to any figure that you want. Oh, format it to any figure. So you can format it to any front that you want. So I'll just leave it like this to 20. So I think we are good to go. Then this, align it to center. So I'm going to bring it here. Okay, I'm changing it to white because I'm going to place it here. Okay, I need to change this. So this is our shape. You need to format it also. No outline, then no fill. So you can see now that we have our total sale here. So now this, okay, so I need to change this to this so that it will fit there. Good. So now I'm going to just copy this again and paste it here. Paste it. Paste it here. So you paste it to the last one too. So what we'll be doing now, see now, you see this is, we are referencing A4 because our total sale is on column A, row 4. So product is column B, row 4. This unit store is column C, row 4. So all forward is, we just need to be changing the column or name. So this, I'm going to be referencing B here. Then I'll format it. Just come right here, then format this. So here I'm be changing it to C. So also come here and format it. This, change it to D. Also I'll format. Then this, I'm going to be changing it to E. So I hope you know how to use this faster instead of doing copying again. So that's all. So again, you can group this, click on what you grouped before and group them together. Go to format, then group. So you know that when you are moving it, everything will be moving together. So now we are good to go with this. So the next thing that we need to do is our sales comparison. That's the next thing that we need to do now. So all I need to do here is, so I will just bring this up. So all I need to do here now is to just, I need to insert a line that will separate this. So now go to insert again, bring this line here. Okay, so this is our line. You need to align it together. So here, I need the line here. And we are good to go. So just make sure that it's on straight line. So now I'm going to format this line now. Click on it, right click on it and go to format shape. So here I will increase this to about 2, then change this color to this our color here. Can increase it So okay, increase it to, okay, so it's okay, we are good to go. So this, now it's time for us to start our products and to start bringing this, our state, this and that. So I will just copy this and place this here. So I will show you what I did. So you can also group this together. You can group it together. Group. So here, this first, I want to move this from here so that it won't be shrinking when, okay, let's do it together so that I will show you how I did that. So here I'll write, oh, that's states. Then here I'll write 2020. Then here will be 2021, and this will be year on year growth. So here I will just format it and increase it, change it to this color. We want this. So now we start bringing each of these states. Okay, now before then, I haven't done the pivot table for that. So copy this pivot table, then paste it here. Remove all of this, and so we are left with what's it called, total sale, and then put it here. This is our state. Again, I want to do then our invoice days. So I'm going to be, so this invoice days, see what it did there, it just separated it into year, column, and day. So I'm going to be removing this. I'll also remove this, remove this. So I'm going to be moving this to this place. So you can see now that we have our both, or what's it called, both our 2021 and 2020 here. So now I will click this, go to design to remove the total. I want to remove the total, grand total of it for rows and columns. So I've removed the total. Okay, why are we still having this like this? Let me check that. Okay, quarter here, so remove this field here. So now I want to do this. I'm going to be sorting from largest to smallest. Just right click on any of the pivots, and that's it. Then I'm going to be doing our values filter for top 10 country with the largest, with the highest sales. So that's it. These are our top 10 country with largest sale. I hope this is it. Yes, I think so. That's it. So these are our top 10 country with the highest sale. Okay, let's check if it's still sorting. Let me just sort some. Or what did we sort? Let me check what we sort for first. Okay, let me clear this sorting first. Clear this filter. I need to see what I sorted. I think I sort. Let's sort from largest to smallest. Okay. I used it. And value filter top 10. Okay, so now we have this now. So the next thing now, remember I filter for top 10 is to go to our formula bar equals to and bring all of this. So California for So we have this now. So again, you can just drag. Okay. Sorry. So here, I can just copy this here. So bring this here too. Bring this here. So now we can just drag it to this place so that we have our other value here. So now I need to do a formatting here. Okay. I think I can do it here. So I can do it here. So I'll just do the normal formatting. So first, I'm going to be increasing the font. Let's remove this. So now we have this. So now, we've not calculated our year-on-year growth. So what we need to do here now, how do we calculate our year-on-year growth? So let me remove this first. I'm going to be bringing it back. So how do we calculate our year-on-year growth? So now, to get year-on-year growth, we are going to be subtracting the current year from the previous year, then divided by the previous year. So equals to, that's 2021 minus 2022 divided 2020 divided by 2020. So I'm going to be doing that again. This minus this, then divided by this. So now we have this, but we are not supposed to be having it in, okay, we have it in percentage. Supposed to be having it in percentage. Wow, we see growth. You can see the growth of Virginia from as about 2,175 growth within 1 year, and this 4,400 growth within 1 year. That's a lot of growth. That's a lot of growth. Now, the next thing that I need to do now, is how to apply this custom format. How to use the custom format, which is what I want to teach us today. How to apply it here on this year-on-year growth. That's the next thing that I want to do now. So now, before then, we need to insert this triangle up and down. That's the downward and upward triangle, to showing both the positive and the negative number. So to do that, go to insert, then go to symbol. So I already have it in my recently used, but if you want to do it, just click on area here, then it will give you this, and then you'll be able to insert this. Just insert in one of these, then insert again, then you close. So we already have it here now. So now I'm going to be copying this. I'll cut it, then I'm going to highlight here. I want to apply the custom format. Go to home, then go to this place, then click on custom and click this. Now we need to arrange something. So I'm going to be applying my color. So this, introduce this your bracket, then click color 10. This color 10 represents green, so it represents green, and then close the bracket, and then come right here and put 0.0%, and then okay, so what you copy the other time, paste it here. So here I'm going to be what again? So now I'm going to be putting our semicolon, then again introduce another, or what's it called, bracket, this particular bracket, then click on red, that's representing the red, close the bracket again and open another bracket. Just make sure that let me increase this so that you will see what I'm doing. Okay, let me first. Let me increase it. We'll still go back there so that you see what I'm doing. I want to increase it. Can you I hope you are seeing it. So now let me increase it a little bit. So I'm going back to that, so that you will see what I'm doing. So open this bracket, 0.0 bracket. Okay, I'm using the 0.0 bracket, then your percentage, then you close this. So this is what you need to input here. Once you click on your custom, then close this. Can you see now that we have our conditional formatting here? So now I need to format this. I need to apply or border to everything here. So I apply the border now. So you can just align this and so that everything is aligned. So and decrease this. So now we have this here now. So now the next thing that I want to do is to bring the region. Also we have the region. So go back to my, put it here, create another. This will be for region. So I want to show the sales of each of this region. So now here I'm going to be changing this to region. So again I'm going to be inputting this. Okay, here. So drag it down. Then do this. So now I'm going to be doing my year-on-year growth for that. This minus this divided by this. So do this. So we have this. So now I want to format it the way I format. Just click this. You can just click this, then click on format. I like that. Then do this. Can you see now everything is formatted? Okay, I made a mistake. So I should have just done this. Format this. So to make our work faster, can you see now we have that here? So again, copy this our line to separate it, because I want to use it. I want to use it to separate it here. So now the next thing now is to do other, or what's it called, the other charts, which is this column chart and this line chart for the sales and the and our monthly sale and quarterly sale. So come right here again, just copy this, put it here. So now for my monthly sale and quarterly sale, I will just put invoice. Okay, bring the invoice here. Bring the invoice here for each of the, or what's it called, the unit sold. Unit sold. Unit sold. Then okay, this invoice, you can remove it, then bring it here, bring it again. So I'm going to be removing this, also remove this, and then we have both for the quarter and also for the, we have both for quarter and for this. So now all I need to do now, just click on any of these, then introduce your column chart. I think I used one of these, so I use this, then remove everything. So just click this, right click it and remove, hide all the button. Okay, so I think I can remove this too. I can bring it here, so you can rename this, rename it, so that will not be seeing some of. So these two, rename this, that will be, we'll be having just units sold. So now you can bring this here. So now to represent this, so this I will just remove the, okay, remove the grid line. What else? So I'm going to work on the, I'm going to format the chart. So you can right click on it, and click on format chart area, no line, then no fields. So okay, I still having that, no field. I'm sorry for this, no line, format, no field. Yes, that's what I want. So here you can bring this up, so you can add your data label, also add your data label here. So for this, we can decrease this gap width, you can decrease it. So now you can format your chart. I want to format this first one. I'm going to be using this for it. Then this, I will use our, no, use this. So no line. So I'm just trying to format this again, change it to black. This, and I'll change this to white. Let me check what I use here. It's still black, and black will bring it out more. So you can bold it, or you can just change the labeling type to, you can change it to, okay, let's say, is it alignment now? Okay, you can rotate it anyhow you want it. So now I think we are good to go. So this changes to this, then the unit sold also change it. So now we bring it to our dashboard, bring it to our dashboard. So you can just format, do your normal formatting. So now the last one, which is, so for this you can increase the border of your, I mean this, you can increase the border. So now to separate it, so now the next thing now is the last chart, which is the monthly sale. So I can just bring this here, just create another pivot table. Make sure you are copying everything here, then put it here. This time I need to show feed, close this, and then the invoice date. I'm going to removing everything and leave only month because I want to show monthly sale. Remove field. Okay, remove this region. So now just draw your let's format this together. Idle button. Remove this. This one will be monthly sales trend. So yeah, I'm going to be highlighting this and then copy this or bold it, change it to black. So for this, make sure you click here, remove this. So what else are we doing? So now I want to remove the border and that's the outline and the shape. I don't want it to be filled. So now you can take it to, let's take it to our dashboard so that we start aligning it here. So now I'm going to be doing that. So the first one, the axis, just increase this also changes to this. Then I need to work on the data series. Come right here, I'm changing it to this blue. Okay, so now I want to add marker option, U10. I'll change this to this. I'll change the color of the marker to this. Can increase your marker. So now what else do I want to fill there? This line, so I want to change it to smooth. So now you can add data label, and add, okay, not data label, and also change this. So now we are done with all our charts. So the next thing to do is just to align them. Make sure everything is aligned. So what I'm going to be doing now is alignment. That's what I want to do. I want to do alignment. So all this I still need to increase. Just do normal alignment to make your charts visible. Our data label also, increase it to make it visible. So up here. So now before then I need to do this slicer. So click on any of these pivot table, then insert slicer. Then I want to, like I said, I want to show the product category. That's what I want to use as a slicer. So if you want to check how to format slicer, I have a video. I'm going to put the video link under that customer feedback. I have a video called video tutorial in my on my channel, customer feedback. So click on that and then you will learn how to format a chart there. So now just click this, then let's make sure that our slicer is affecting everything, that is working with everything. So just click all. So click this, click this, click this, click that, click this. click on all the pivot tables so that when you are using the slicer, it will be changing. So let's bring it here, bring our slicer here. So this you can still increase, decrease the value, decrease it to this. So now, so you just format, just align it. Like I said, all you need to do is to align your chart, align it. So I'm going to be bringing this closer here, and these two I'm going to be bringing it here. So all we need to do is alignment. Then this, with this, and still place this to this. Okay, so now I think we are good to go. So now let's bring back our dash logo and our dashboard title, bringing them here. So I will just format this. Yes, we are good to go. So again, like I said, there's something I need to do from here to this place. Okay, I will just change this color to this. I don't want it to be matching with our dashboard. Then this, I'm going to be changing it to this so my battery is low. I'm going to be changing this to this too, so that yes, so we have our dashboard now, and I believe you have learned a new skills, how to, or what's it called, how to format charts, or how to apply your conditional format in your custom formatting in this and your pivot table. To help you learn, you can see now that this is changing, everything is changing as we are working on it, it's changing. So now you can also, if you want to click the filter, you can right click on it, then clear filter from product. So now we are done with this. Give me your feedback, share, like, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.